Hi and welcome to Elite Influencing. In this video I'm going to explain to you all about the widget settings. So first thing you want to do is come up here to my account and go to the architect. So every widget has its own styles and its own settings. In this video we'll focus on the settings. So this is a text widget right here. If we click on the settings, this is where you can change the functionality of the widget. So if I wanted to add a link right here, I could add a link to the text, so if somebody clicked on it, the text would take them to another page. This button right here, if we do the settings, we can change what the button says along with the button type. In the image widget settings, here we can change what the image is, so we can change it to something else. And we can also change the size of the image. This is the video widget. For the widget settings here, you can change what video shows up on that widget. So the widget settings are all about the functionality of each widget. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.